Tedesa and the short one. Oh no. Goal scored by shot 11 of Ethiopia. It's 1-0 now for Ethiopia. It was miscommunication amongst the Ugandan defenders and the goalkeeper, where Nakazo cleared the ball, scored in long one taken. Oh no! Oh no! Poor defending, poor set piece defending. Like I said, sometimes players need to know. It was not necessary for Komuntale to commit that foul. And because of that, with all the tension, Ethiopians have scored a second goal. It was a poor set piece defending. Nakazio would have come. It's a goal. 2-1. 2-1 for Ethiopia.